afternoon everyone, myself Yuga, and today we are going to see the cough of Kali Carb. So there are 8 points to remember in the cough of Kali Carb. Now why 8 points? We should remember like Kali and Carb has 8 letters, so 8 points. Let's start with the first point, that is whooping cough. What is meant by whooping cough? So the cough is very loud, violent and very rapid, and there is also difficulty in breathing. The second point is the cough with relaxed uvula. Third point is there is dry, hard, barking cough about 3 am with stitching sensation and dryness in the pharynx. Now the fourth point covers everything about the expectoration. So expectoration is scanty and tenacious, which increases in the morning and after eating. Then there is a cheesy taste and the color is yellowish greenish, and expectoration must be swallowed. Now fifth and the sixth point covers everything about the aggravating and ameliorating modality. So the first aggravating modality, cough is worse from 3 am, then aggravation from cold, aggravation from lying on painful side, amelioration from warm weather, amelioration from motion, amelioration from rocking. Now the seventh point is very interesting. So when he is coughing, he feels as if his head would fly into pieces. Eighth point is white or smoky masses fly from the throat while coughing. Thank you.